I'm here in the factory at the headquarters of FS Curtis in St. Louis, Missouri, and I wanted to share a few details with you on the CA Series Splash Lubricated Reciprocating Air Compressor. The CA Series is an industry workhorse. It's robust and industrial. It's ideal for applications for the serious DIYer up to high volume automotive or light industrial applications. In general, this is the perfect overall heavy duty industrial reciprocating air compressor. It's available in 5, 7.5, and 10 and 15 horsepower. It's also available in horizontal as well as vertical, such as we have here, configurations. The CA Series is also available in simplex models like this one, which means it has one pump, as well as duplex models, meaning it has two pumps. The CA Series offers standard features that are tough to beat, such as a stamped steel metal belt guard, where other manufacturers have moved towards lesser quality wire cage belt guards.
The CA Series features an all-metal inlet filter housing and heavy-duty air filter element to ensure the long life of your FS Curtis reciprocating air compressor.
And finally, the most important piece of any air compressor is the pump. The CA Series features an industrial-grade pump that's fully cast iron, featuring industrial-grade main roller bearings, high-flow, heavy-duty stainless steel valves, and 100% cast iron design. The CA Series pumps that run at low RPMs to ensure long life and are full 100% cast iron construction to ensure a lifetime of performance. The CA Series is also available in an Ultra Pack configuration. The Ultra Pack configuration includes features and options to ensure that you have improved quality of air as well as a longevity in the life of your compressor. It includes premium items such as an aftercooler, a low oil guard to ensure that your compressor does not run in the event of a low oil situation, as well as an electronic drain valve to ensure that the tank does not fill with moisture, and a set of 4 vibration isolation pads to mount your compressor on. And best of all, your CA Series compressor is backed by the best extended warranty in the business. Simply by using authorized FS Curtis parts and lubricants, your CA Series will have a 5-year extended warranty. And if purchased with the Ultra Pack option, your CA Series will receive a 5-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, which covers everything including the motor. And just like all FS Curtis products, the CA Series is factory filled with lubricant, so it's ready to go when it hits your floor. And also, just like all FS Curtis products, it's proudly built in the heartland here in St. Louis, Missouri, where we've been building quality products since 1854.